Hello, this is Wes, and this is my homepage for my EDM 113 Maker project, U8 Design and Technology Sustainable Living. Homepage just has a quick introduction, 6-week lesson plan incorporating the school curriculum standards and the meaningful learning objectives. My project overview just goes through the school curriculum standards and the meaningful learning concepts and just how they relate to the whole project. And the content here, this is my 6-week plan. I've just laid it out in lessons and the minutes and the time breakdown for each one. Just got links to videos, lesson 2, lesson 3, 4, 5, and 6, and a marking rubric. My About Me page is a bit ugly mug and a little bit of information there. Thank you.